What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We got a product here from Banggood. In this video we're going to open it up, try it out, see if it's any good. It looks pretty cool, so I'm kind of excited to try it. Alright, so this is like a 1/28 scale rally car from LDRC. Alright, so here we go. Here's the car. It is a mostly plastic, looks to be four-wheel drive. I do believe this is also a drift car. It looks like it does have some drift tires here, as well as some of the accessories such as the mirrors and whatnot. This kind of looks like, I want to say this is like an Alfa Romeo or a Lancia. I'm actually not sure. Whatever you guys think it looks most like, please let me know in the comments. But either way, I think it's going to be pretty cool. You got your little transmitter here. Seems to be pretty basic. The battery is right here. It looks like it's a lithium ion, 500 milliamps. That's not much else to say. Let's charge the battery up, try it out, see how much fun this thing is. It looks great. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really cool. It's a great shelf piece nonetheless. Let's see how this thing actually drives. This could be potentially an okay alternative to a Mini Z. I unfortunately don't have a Mini Z track at my disposal anymore, so I couldn't tell you for sure. Speed wise, not at all. This is basically like a Mini Z would be if you had it on beginner mode. Now it does come with a set of drift tires. I was kind of trying to avoid having to do drifting because my garage is a mess, and well, let's be real, this surface is not polished, so it's just gonna scratch the tires up. But I'm now seeing that I'm probably gonna have to do that. Yeah, this isn't very exciting. I mean, it looks cool. It looks cool. Let's be real, they're not expensive. These are super cheap, and I'm not sure what you would expect from something at this type of price point. But I guess let's clean the garage a little bit, put this thing on the polished concrete. Maybe it'll drift better, I don't know. As you can see, I got some stuff to move around here, and then we can really try it out. So let's go ahead and do that. I was really trying to avoid this, but so be it. Okay, before we continue, we got the wheels on, and I have to say, they go on with these like tiny screws here, and like it just is way harder than it needed to be. But they do at least give you 4 more of these screws when you inevitably do drop one, and it goes into the oblivion. Look, see, I almost lost that one there. Yeah, it shouldn't be that difficult, but again, this thing's 30 bucks, by the way, guys. So there will be a link in the description if you're interested in picking one up. I mean, for 30 bucks, maybe I'm being too harsh on it. So let's see how it drifts, and then I guess we can really make our evaluation after that. Okay, garage is clean. Let's see if this thing's any better. Not expecting much, guys. I mean, it drifts nice. Not a lot of power, but it does slide. You don't really need a lot of power to drift a car like this, but I mean, it's not really set up for drift. It's just, it will drift. I don't know. Like I said, it's 30 bucks. Maybe I'm being too harsh on it. There is going to be a link in the description, guys, if you want to try it out. I mean, I want to thank Banggood for sending it to me. As always, I love to review items, and that way you guys can, you know, have an informed decision. Would I buy it myself? Honestly, no. I would say save your money for one of the other drift cars that are on the market. Is it terrible? No, not at all. It's fun. A kid would love it, and that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to give it away to a kid. I don't really know what else to say. This is the, let's grab the box here. The LDRC 1/28 scale. I don't even know what this thing would be considered. I thought it was going to be like a quick little rally car, but turns out it's just a very basic RC car with a brushed motor and a lithium ion battery. That's not really going to excite you too much. But hey, you know what? RC is always fun, whether it's good or bad. At least for a little bit. At least for a little bit of time. It's fun until it breaks, basically. And I guess that's pretty much it, guys. There'll be a link in the description, like I said, if you are interested in buying one. I mean, it's cool. It's definitely cool. I wouldn't say it's the coolest, but I like the way it looks, for sure. And there is a few other body styles, so 30 bucks, maybe it's not so bad. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.